Hello, this is a super family of very serious fingerprint door lock. This is HR number 1. This is HR number 2. This is HR number 4. This is HR number 5. Fingerprint at handle. This is HR number 5. Fingerprint up the keypad. They both have the fingerprint password card key and optional for app, Tuya Smart or ttlock. Optional for 8 languages to be your local English languages. And except HR number 1 by the AAA battery. Other models, HR number 2, HR number 4, and HR number 5, both AA batteries, 4 pieces to power work. The battery cover in here, the same. Both then have 2 colors, as the reader show here, the black and the rose gold color.